is Anna, and I really do appreciate you stopping by my channel, but I would really appreciate more if you subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube journey. So if you are returning, thank you so much for stopping by again, and thank you so much for your support, guys. I am so sorry I have been on hiatus for a while, for ages already. I am currently stranded in my home country, the Philippines, and so I can't really do much. I've been stranded here since I came home last year for Christmas, and I haven't been back since then because of this pandemic. So one good thing about being stranded here in the Philippines and my country is that I was able to order something online, which is something that I can't do when I go back to the country where I'm really based, because they don't, most international websites, almost all, they don't ship anything there. So while I'm here, I took the chance to order something from Fragrance X, and so I got this one now from Fragrance X, and I'm so excited to open this, guys, in my channel and share this moment with you guys. Okay, this exciting moment with you guys. I am very happy and very excited right now. I cannot contain my happiness because this is the very first time I'm owning a Niche perfume. I don't own any. I have so many perfumes, but I don't have any Niche in my collection because Niche are, Niche perfumes are very expensive, more expensive. Most of the time they're more expensive than the mainstream perfumes, and they're not so readily available. They're not so accessible. It's not so accessible to access them anywhere. They are not just in any stores, any mall or what, unlike the mainstream perfumes. So yeah, I got the flanker. I didn't get the original DELINA because I already was able to get my hands on a decant of DELINA before, and this one I haven't, I can't get any, so I decided to just go with this one. And besides, I think I've been wanting this since last year, and I think that this has more interesting, it has a more interesting scent than the original. I just think that it has more interesting scent. So yeah, I'm really so excited right now. I cannot wait to open this box. So without further ado, let's open the box. Open the box here, but I haven't opened her yet. Lighting is so bright, but there it is. It says DELINA Exclusive. Yes, I didn't get the DELINA, the original DELINA. I decided to go with flanker DELINA Exclusive because there's no way I can get the DELINA Exclusive except for this. I have the decant before of DELINA, but there was no, I didn't have a decant of DELINA Exclusive. So I love the DELINA Exclusive, I love the DELINA, but I am thinking that maybe I would love more the DELINA Exclusive. So yeah, let us unbox this one now because I am totally, I don't know, I am very excited to this. I'm sorry guys if I cannot really find another word for it. Excited. I keep saying excited all the time. Every time I am in my video and I would do some unboxing or what, I would always repeat the word. I would keep repeating the word excited. I'm not a native English speaker, so I don't really know so much. I don't know. I just happen to use excited more. Okay, so here it goes. I am going to unbox this now. Isn't she pretty? Before anything else, look at that. It's here with the horses, because as you guys can see, DELINA was taken, the name DELINA was taken from King Louis, Louis's collection of horses, because he loved horses and he loved fragrances. So which is why the brand Parfums de Marly took all of their the names of their perfumes from King Louis's horses. So let us unbox now because I cannot wait anymore. I'm just really excited. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really I don't know, but I'm very happy. I'm so glad that I have this perfume now in my collection. I have been wanting this since last year, but as what I said, this is not readily available in the country where I am really based. So here is the box. Just look at the box here. So this is a pink box. So let us open her now. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous it is. It is in this, let me see how gorgeous it is. It is seated here in this pink box that's like a suede type. This is gorgeous. And let us take her now. Oh my gosh. Before, I always thought that DELINA was in a plastic bottle because it looked a bit plasticky from the videos that I used to watch. I don't know. Wait. Oh, there's the lightning. That's better, I think. Okay, so there it is. So this is a pink bottle. It's just so gorgeous. It's a good shape. It's shaped so much. How do you call this? It's so feminine. The shape of it is so feminine, and the color, it's in a pink, pastel pink color, and it has this carvings in here that just really adds to the touch of this bottle. And it says here DELINA Exclusif, and it has these tassels here that also adds so much to the bottle. And it comes in this how do you call this, silver lid, and it has this, wow, beautiful, beautiful, it has this pink rhinestone in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, maybe not, but that is the pink rhinestone on top of the lid. So let us open it now, and it's heavy lid. So it's just really beautiful bottle. The craftsmanship of this bottle is to die for. Isn't she lovely? I mean, I cannot wait to have her sitting on my vanity. I think she will be the queen of all fragrances there in my vanity, because she's really gorgeous. She's exquisite. She's beautiful, beautiful, so feminine. So now let us try this smell of this fragrance. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so strong. And it's so beautiful. Beautiful scent. I can definitely smell the DNA of the DNA from the DELINA, the original DELINA. It's still there. It has that lychee, you know, lychee scent. This opens up with bergamot, pear, and lychee. I don't really smell so much the pear. I smell mostly the lychee, which is the same as the DELINA, the original DELINA. It's a bit, it has some tartness into it. This one doesn't really, when I look at the Fragrantica, it doesn't state that it has a rhubarb. The DELINA original has rhubarb, and this one doesn't have, but it still has that same tartness. I mean, not exactly same, because this is more subtle. It's not as strong, it's not as pungent as the tartness from the original DELINA, but it still has that tartness, which I also love. I love the tartness, but this one also has some creaminess into it. The DELINA, the original DELINA, doesn't have creaminess. It's more syrupy. And this one is more creamy. It's creamier, and what a gorgeous scent. It's really, It's a gorgeous scent. My favorite perfume of all time is Alien by Mugler. It's, to me, it's the most beautiful fragrance I've ever smelled. But it seems like another fragrance has grabbed my attention, and that is this scent. That this is fragrance, DELINA Exclusif. It's beautiful. It has I can smell some incense in it, and they said it has some oud, but frankly I don't smell the oud. I think this fragrance was beautifully blended that you can hardly smell the notes. I cannot smell the oud in this fragrance, so I think that's it. That I think it's beautifully done, because I cannot really smell the oud at all. It's just a beautiful scent. It's, I don't know, I am completely blown away by this fragrance. I am in love with this fragrance. It's beautiful. This is just my first impression, guys, because I haven't worn this yet. Of course, I'm still going to keep wearing this to see if I'm really, you know, to be able to tell more about this fragrance, if it lasts long or not on my skin. Of course, a lot of people say this has a strong longevity and sillage as well. But yeah, it's beautiful. My gosh, I am glad, I'm happy that I decided to go with the DELINA Exclusif instead of DELINA. Of course, I hope that I would still be able to get a DELINA someday, but it's just very pricey. I don't think that it's really necessary to get two. If you have the money, of course, you can go with it. You can have two, but if, you know, you can just have one, I think it's, you know, I think it's just better to get one because they are quite similar. Of course, this just has a little sweetness and the other one doesn't have. The other one is has more tartness, and this one has a mix. Actually, is a mix of sweet and tart. It has tartness and it has sweetness as well. So I think it's very balanced, which I love. So yeah, just take a look at her, how exquisite she is. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope that you do subscribe and be a part of my YouTube journey, and let us all be kind to one another. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.